How do I use sliders in Desmos? If you are a high school student looking to make math more interactive and fun, you will love using sliders in Desmos. Sliders allow you to change the values of variables in your equations and see the results instantly on the graph. This feature is perfect for exploring concepts like linear equations and quadratic functions. Let's break down how to use sliders step by step. First, start by entering an equation that includes a variable. For example, if you type in y equals mx plus b, Desmos will recognize that m and b are variables that need sliders. You will see a prompt to add sliders for these variables. Just click to add them, and you are on your way. Next, once the sliders appear, you can adjust their values easily. Each slider has a handle that you can drag left or right. As you move the slider, the graph updates in real time. This instant feedback helps you visualize how changes in the variables affect the graph's shape and position. Now, let's talk about customizing your sliders. You can click on the numbers at either end of the slider bar to set the minimum and maximum values. This means you can control how far the slider can go. You can also set the step size, which determines how much the variable changes with each movement of the slider. A smaller step size allows for more precise adjustments, making it easier to see subtle changes. Another cool feature is the ability to animate sliders. Next to each slider, there is a play button. When you click it, the variable will automatically change through the range you set. You can even control the speed and direction of the animation. This is a fantastic way to visualize how graphs change continuously as the variables vary. Additionally, you can use the same slider variable in multiple equations. This allows you to see how changing one parameter affects several graphs at once. For instance, you can move two lines together or maintain relationships like perpendicularity. In high school, sliders can be used for many practical applications. You can explore how changing the slope and y-intercept affects a line. You can also adjust parameters in quadratic functions to see how the vertex shifts or how the width changes. Another great use is modeling data by fitting curves using sliders to adjust coefficients. You can even visualize transformations like translations, stretches, and reflections dynamically. Using sliders in Desmos makes math interactive and engaging. It allows you to experiment with equations without having to rewrite them every time. This tool provides immediate visual feedback, which is especially helpful for mastering concepts and preparing for tests. So, if you are looking to boost your math skills, give sliders a try in Desmos.